Guys, so I'm out at my spot on the creek. I know I was just here the other day, but Josh said he wanted to go fishing, so heck yeah, decided we'd go out and try a little. I'll probably catch nothing again, but okay, so we're just gonna start trying some random shit at first. Never tried this out here, so why not though, you know? Whoa, bruh. I don't know. It was on. I was just messing on top of the water, but it went at it.
That seems pretty good, man.
I know.
Something just hit it top water?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
That was crazy.
Yeah. I've never.
Fish, man.
I might actually catch one this time.
Did it completely miss it?
Yeah. It's probably a drum. Come get Papa.
There's some things happening, Dylan.
They're getting jiggy with it in there.
There's definitely something that's happening.
I'm gonna try what I did the other day, but
It doesn't feel very big, but I got some. It is a tiny walleye.
ah,
Yeah.
cute little bugger.
Yeah, that's a good start.
I'm like, I can't catch fish, but I can like point you where they're at, you know?
You can find them.
Yeah. Like, hey, it's water. There's probably a fish.
Is that your crankbait?
Yeah, I don't even know what you call it.
Looks kind of like a...
Oh, there it is. Holy shit. What?
Yeah, that doesn't look bad, bud.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
That looks big, man.
Damn. Damn it.
That looks big.
Hey, I hooked one at least, kind of.
That thing was pulling line. That was much bigger than my walleye.
Where did the lure go? Oh.
Throw it down these rocks.
Yeah, that's the spot I kept getting snagged the other day.
Yeah, I found the snag.
I don't know where my lure went. It went into space. Oh, wait. There it is. Yeah, that's what it is.
Hey, that's like, I don't know, it's kind of like a wiggle wart or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, it seems to work because he made one cast in there with it and got bit.
Yeah, it's the, I don't know what, but it works. Yeah, I literally caught a catfish off of this the other day.
Yeah, that's crazy. They'll hit stuff like that though.
I've,
Oh gosh, I just got hammered. Wasn't paying attention.
no, I had something the other day. It was big as shit, and it did the same thing, like that, but yeah. These like literally go on the bottom and just like kick up. Yeah.
I want to know what you had on that thing. That thing was jumping line.
Yeah, that surprised me.
Drumfish or a kitty probably.
I don't know. Everything that I was kind of catching was like literally right off,
Right here.
like right off the shore. So something. Yeah, it's, oh. Yeah. Maybe a kitty, I don't know. Or it might be a goldeye. Goldeye. Bait. Bait.
What do you mean it's not?
A goldeye?
These damn walleyes
Oh,
are
walleye.
It might be a saw. It looks a lot bigger.
Yeah, it looks a little different.
Yeah, that's still a saw guy. Everyone's gonna yell at me for calling him the sauger if I do.
I don't know the difference yet because I'm a noob.
That's your first ever saw guy, boo.
They call her Saga Boo.
They call her saw guy, boo. Alright, from the million comments, Dylan, do you want to learn the difference between a saw guy and a sauger?
Yeah.
I just learned from people talking.
Sure.
Sauger characteristics. all the spots and stuff and the blotches. But saugers, pure ones, do not have any white down here.
So he's not pure.
He's not pure, he's an inbred.
Hey, it's messed
He's
up.
a trailer trash, dirtbag saw guy. But he's booze first.
Your first inbred saw guy.
Good job though. Here, let me see that lure real quick. Lure thing is something different.
I know. We're like fly fishing kind of, but not, you know?
I mean, I can see where
Or not that, but like we're in a creek, river thingy.
yeah. Like we're actually fishing for fish that are desirable, not like
Turds.
the normal 5-inch channel cats and stuff.
Yeah.
Even though we might get one of them on lure too. Lock live.
They should make that a shirt. Sog life.
Sog life. I'd wear it. I've caught 0 saugers, but I've caught a lot of the inbreds, so I can wear it. Get on that, Dylan.
I know. I need to make some stuff.
I can tell you one thing for certain: the sauger or the sawguys and the walleyes did not hit your freaking jitterbug.
Yeah.
I can tell you that.
I don't know what that was.
It was definitely something. Or is it a channel? I think it's a channel.
No, it's not.
I think it's a channel.
I can't see the
I
sun.
really hope it's a walleye though. Yeah,
I think
it's a
it's a
channel.
What?
So, it seriously looked like a walleye, but it's a channel. Oh, it's a flathead!
What?
It's a
Are you kidding me?
2 times, Dylan!
Bro!
2 times!
I've like been out here a million times.
I'll give you this crankbait before I leave.
No, you're good. How? I was joking. I was like, it's probably a flathead. It's.
Came here so many times trying to catch a flathead and still hasn't got one.
He's barely on there too.
I want to like see it though. I gotta tell it to let me catch some. That's crazy.
Well, he ain't as big as my flathead last time, but he is a flathead.
Well, it's better than a walleye.
I felt like I was snagged, but it like kind of.
That's nuts.
I guess that's a typical flathead life. I thought it looked like a walleye.
Seriously, that's on the backside of it. I was like, eh.
Lucky.
Lucky.
I wanna touch him.
It's better to be lucky than good. You wanna eat him?
Nah, I'm good. Oh, they're slimy little
Flathead is
boogers.
pretty good, but I can't get myself to kill him yet. Maybe I'll grow up like River Dickhead eventually, but.
Dude, that's badass. I need like a fish tank.
You gonna touch him one more time?
Oh yeah.
Well.
Okay, I gotta get one.
That one's nice.
That was very nice.
Don't forget that, like, as big a one as I got last time on a catfish pull on a lure. That'd be
Well,
a chore. You hooked something big last time and this time, so who knows?
I have a 4-pound line. So,
Luckily, it's not like too terribly rebar-y.
yeah, but
Jump in and go swimming for it if you hook a 20 on your 4-pound line.
wait, was that fish?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Wow, they're all over right meow.
Going exploring farther, Dylan.
Okay, don't fall in.
Another thing I'm good at.
There's cactuses. Look at that. It's a lot of cacti.
You gonna make it, homie?
No, it looked good from over there.
Yeah, there's just that one little stretch that's questionable, as you can see.
Off-roading, dude. This is how I die. Nature's giving birth to me. Nature. Oh shit. Sorry, I'm getting in the way here.
I just don't want you to die. I don't think there's a way.
Ah.
I want you to live to see another day.
Ooh,
Is
ooh.
this your crankbait?
What the f was that? Yeah, it broke my line.
Oh, the catfish broke your line?
Yeah,
Oh, that's worse.
yeah, I know. That's why I was like super mad. I was like, shit, oh shit. I got you, bitch. Whoa,
Throw out one of the full-eyed-
whoa, oh, a little skink.
You just saw a lizard?
Yeah,
There's lizards and cacti here?
there's a skink. I just saw a skink.
How big?
Like the one we caught, the tiny one. What the f? Oh, I see him. Come here. Come here.
Tuck his ass still on.
I see you. Oh, come back here. No, you're mine. Where are you? Huh? I know, but it's not that big. It's gonna hurt a little.
They're just so quick.
Where's this skank?
Skinky ass skank.
Skinkity skank skink.
Is he just up in the rock?
Dude, yeah, I like moved that big ass rock and he's like, oh shit, my house.
My house.
Should I move this boulder?
I mean, you could. I don't know if it's worth it though. It's just a skinky ass skank.
I like lizard skinks. Skank, I like skanky ass lizards. Where are you, Bob?
He wants nothing to do with you, Dylan.
Where is he? Oh shit.
If you fall in, it's not gonna be worth it.
The views, bro.
Worth it for us. I can put in the title. Dylan almost died.
Rock.
Yes, skank. I know, I cheer a chick like that.
I think I don't know. Where'd the little skank go? I probably did. I'm sorry.
With his other man, Dylan.
I'm sorry.
Or she. Is it a girl or a guy? Are you chasing a girly skinky skank or are you chasing a guy?
I don't know, but that was a first. I didn't know there was any skanks down here.
I haven't seen any lizards other than a few hours west.
Okay, well, at least I saw a lizard, right? Just don't step on this rock. Well, you're good.
Ain't a bad one, Dylan.
Decent little kerp.
Yeah, we switched to night crawlers so we weren't getting bites on corn or lures. What are we even using today? Lures.
Yeah, it looks about like the one I caught a while ago with corn.
So it's about the average size on the
I think so.
I don't know how I'm going to land them without getting wet. I don't think they're even wet. And then, who gets big fish of the day on what? Tell them.
Nightcrawler.
Not surprising. Glorious old greasy carp dong. How does it feel in your hands, Girthy?
He's pretty chill right now.
Yeah. We better get him back. I kind of poked one of his gillions. Send him away with a little torpedo. He fought pretty hard, even on heavier line.
Yeah?
You had the night crawler in your hand for about 4 seconds. Legendary.
Wish it was a walleye.
Yeah. If it was a walleye that big, I'd be freaking out.
Yeah, they're moving over here more too. And they caught a fish. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. I don't know. Could it be a flathead?
It looked tiny.
It's swimming like a channel, maybe. I don't know.
Whatever it is, don't ask me to help you land it out too. Because I can't even land the car. I'm just kidding, I'll try.
I can't just reel it in.
Oh man, it swirled big time. Did it come off?
No. I think it's a cat. Not a small cat.
Did you see it?
No, I can. Holy shit. Yeah. Jesus. Holy. Oh, you.
Did it break off or come off?
It broke off.
Bro?
Yep.
Your line broke?
Yep.
4 pound line, good job.
Bro, that was the dumbest decision I've ever made in my life.
4 pound line.
10 pound, homie.
4 pound? Why do you even make 4 pounds?
The only time I use 4 pound is ice fishing.
Gosh. Dang it, bro. I could have had like 2 decent fish. Oh, shit. I believe in you. Oh,
No, we don't swim.
Bound to happen.
Hey, it's all good.
It's not actually that cold either.
I know.
It feels good. I'm wet, bud.
It's funner when you're wet.
It drops off pretty quick right there.
What's up, guys? So, yeah, had fun. Josh and Boo came down and caught quite a few fish and did pretty well. I'm dumb and have too light a line on my rod and reel and broke off 2 decent fish, and that kind of sucks, but still fun. Yeah, I don't know. We got another idea planned for like a little video somewhere. It's kind of cool. I've been there before, but didn't really have much luck. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Later.